Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're playing Philippine Navy, hole number 10. It's going to be 2v2 against Fred and Doy. Yan. So follow his channel, si Fred. So ang gagawin namin ngayon, sino ba ang front 9? Ako front 9, channel mo ang back 9. Alright, so magkampi sila. Then, my teammate naman is Mikey. So, ang trial namin ngayon sa 2v2, we are giving 4 holes sa kanila. So, which is yung handicap holes. So, may plus sila sa hole number 2, which is handicap 1. Hole number 9 sa front 9, which is handicap 3. Then, dito sa back 9, may plus sila sa hole number 14 and hole number 18. Ayan. Kaliwa lang.
Rose at saka si Jack.
Short.
Patong na kami, brother.
Patong na.
Wow.
Matang mo din.
Aga naman huli mo. Aga naman yan. Paano natin?
Shout out pala natin ang gwapo nating starter, ang idol ko. Hi idol! Good morning! Ayan, si Jong, kadi rin namin, teammates kami ni Mikey. Ayan, so kami yung apat na magkakalaban. So my teammate is Mikey, si Fred, and si Doy. Oh, Mikey, pakilala ka naman muna sa channel.
Hi guys, I'm new.
Oh, what do you do ulit, brother? Para alam naman nila.
I'm into the solar energy business, so we do design, install, supply solar energy systems for residential and commercial.
Yeah, perfect. So if you guys are looking for solar panels not to save on electricity, yan. Sayang, ganda ng linya, oh. Little right lang. That's for our birdie putt ni Mikey. Okay, so starting the 2v2. Yan, ang aming caddy ni Mikey, si Jong. Tapos siyempre ang caddy ni Dodong, ang caddy ni Dodoy, si Dodong. Si Meow Meow Meow. Yan, tapos si Fred. Pakilala ka ate.
Hi po, ako si Rose.
Yeah, ako si Rosa. Okay, caddy naman ni Fred. Rosa. Both teams putting for birdie. So, they're taking Doy's tee shot just outside of the green. Lakas lang. Mabilis ah. Sakto. Mahina lang. Okay. That's good, that's good. Okay, we have this birdie putt to go 1 under and also 1 up na sa round. Ito na naman tayo. Simula natin, Mikey. Pag may nauna nag 1 up, yun yung hindi na nanalo eh. Ha? Ako din. Minsan. Pero si Mikey to eh. Anong bigay mo, Jong? Left inside. Okay. 1 up. Birdie ka agad. Pa-practice lang. Alright, so that was a very good start. Hole number 10. We were able to birdie it. So we're now 1 up. So hole number 11, 295 yards. So the strategy is, if Mikey is safe. Ganda! If Mikey is safe, ako I'll hit it with the drive. I'll hit my driver. Ganun din, kanan lang. Safe yan. Hindi ka nag-aim sa kakaliwa eh.
Nice shot.
Oh, safe.
Safe ba? Mikey, 137 na iiwan. What will you hit?
Wala ka to.
Akin yan. Okay. We're left with 137 yards. I'm hitting a pitching wedge. Ano papaluin mo, brother? Anong iron gagamitin mo? Oh, sige, wag na. Kanan lang. Patong mo. Okay lang. Olympian. Good shot, Mikey. Okay, they took Doy's tee shot. Okay, they are left with 115 yards to the flag. Short lang. Ay,
Nice.
short.
Okay na yun doon.
Okay, we are taking Mikey's second shot. Mine went left. Pero wala kasing green to work with there. So this is 26 yards. Ang bigay nyo, kaliwa? Isang club sa kaliwa. Ganda yan, Mikey. Gulong pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay, nice shot, Mikey. Okay, Fred and Doy. Mga 30 yards to the flag. That is Doy's tee shot.
Right.
Okay, Fred and Doy putting for their par. This is Doy's
Ano bigay mo?
chip.
One ball.
Basketball. Isang basketball.
Left?
Left mo?
Oo, left right yan.
Oh, left to right.
Nakuha na naman.
Maganda yan.
Mahina lang. Mahina lang.
Hindi pala. Okay.
Ayan na, sakto. Ay, malakas. Grabe no, hindi na. Nung malakas na, hindi na nag-break. We're giving it right to left. Kanan, di ba? Isang cup? Lakas lang. Alright, hole number 12. We are currently 2 up. It's playing 147 yards. Most likely hitting a 9 iron. Ayan, introduce ko pala ang aming mga kamatch today. Ayan. Direct Fred, yes.
Hello, yes. I'm Fred. I'm a cinematographer and I vlog as well.
Ayan, so I'll just put the ano. Oh, lagay ba announce mo na bro yung ano mo, channel mo.
It's just my name, Frederick Cortez Golf.
Ayan, perfect. Sige, I'll add na lang that to the link also down below.
Thank you. Wow.
Guy, go! Alam mo, nagiging tira mo ngayon, Mikey, parang punch. Oo. Oh, di ba?
Pero wala akong...
Ganda, Fred. Pulin mo muna.
Hole in one.
Kaliwa lang. Kick right. Hindi. Oy! 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 Oy!
Ano? Yun din. Oh, yun din oh. Baka hindi alam ni ate yung halaga nun. Yun din do yun. Ay. Nice, nice.
Clutch to na to.
Nice shot.
Left.
Okay, parehas kaming nasa bunker ni Mikey. I was there. Mas madali itong kay Mikey kasi we have more room, more green to work with. So it's around 15 yards. Right to left ba to? Right to left. Yan o, okay lang. Bite mo lang. Bite mo na. Ang basa eh.
Nice shot.
Okay, we have this spot for par. Pero sila Doy at saka si Fred, they're already putting for birdie. So we need to hit this close or make it.
Third.
Mahina. Mahina. They just need to hit this close to win the hole. Okay, okay. Panalo, panalo. Good putt. Okay, down. One down na lang. Hole number 13, 489 yards. Yan, si Direct at saka si Doy. Currently, one down na lang. Sayang yung putt ni Mikey. Four! Ganda ng drone na yun, Droy ah. Makapal. Ganda rin. Ang taas lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang.
Hindi rin yung fade eh. Taas.
Cut pa. Yan, okay, fairway. Buti na lang. Okay, nice shot, Mikey.
Stinger.
Okay, so they are Doy and Fred. They're taking Fred's tee shot, just laying up, make it a 3-shot hole. Ganda! Ganda! Oh. Ayun naman kasi talaga yung magandang tingnan at saka masarap na feeling. Okay, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with 220 yards to the flag. Yung safe na si Mikey, I will go for it with a 3-wood. Ano place yun?
Maganda yan. Kick right mo. Kick right. Kick right!
Yun, patong! Patong!
Nice shot.
Ayos. Okay, Doy and Fred, they are taking fringe. They are taking Fred's tee shot around 60 yards. Good shot, Fred. Medyo open ah. Nice shot. We have this spot for eagle 8 paces. Ano yun, -1? Hindi naman. Regular lang. Okay. This is to go eagle and to go palagay ng marker to go to up ulit.
Pasok.
Lakas din. Ay, okay lang pala. Ganda. Ay, 1 pala. Nag-bogey nga pala tayo. Ang hina. Uy! Alam mo, akala ko mahina. Akala ko mahina. Okay, 2 up. Okay, hole number 14. Merong plus dito. Si Doy at saka si Fred. Parang they get 1 stroke. Then currently we are 2 up. Ganda. Carry mo lang. Or wag ka umabot. Parang bunker eh. Ganda. 4! Ganda. Wow.
Grabe.
Pang longest drive, Mikey. Most accurate pa.
Accurate. Yun din, ang ganda. Wow, grabe.
Wow.
Dapat talaga 3 strokes kami. O yun, most accurate oh.
Okay, that's their second shot. They're taking Doy's tee shot. Ay, okay lang yan. Nice shot, brother.
Shot.
Okay yan, okay lang yan.
Nice.
Nice shot. Okay yan. Okay, taking my tee shot. If safe si Mikey, I'll hit a hybrid. Sige pa, cut pa. Okay yan, maganda yan, Mikey. Good shot. Okay, they are taking Doy's tee shot. Ay, medyo nakast lang. Then malambot kasi talaga yung fairway dito. They are left with, ilang yardage na? 120? 115?
110 daw eh.
110.
Sama.
Okay, this is to go up and down for birdie. Left with 110 yards. Short lang, short. Olympian. Okay. Kailangan natin dikit, Mikey. May plus sila dito. Okay, we are taking Mikey's second shot. We're left with 90 yards to the flag. Diyan na to, left to right? Diretso na. Right to left. Maliit lang. Okay, I'm hitting a choke down 60-degree wedge. Slightly with the wind. Ganda, Mikey. Maganda. Kick right. Ay, tama na. Sobra lang.
Go. Go.
Okay, Doy and Fred putting par. Sorry, putting birdie din sila, di ba? Birdie net eagle to. Pero ang layo. Ganda na speed. Mahina pa.
Mataas sa dulo.
Mas mahina. Mas mahina pa. Replay. Okay, we have this birdie putt. Maganda, Mikey. Kuha! Ay! Ang lakas. Ang hina naman. Okay, to win the hole. Uy, wala pa. That's good, that's good. Doy. Ano to? Par. Yeah. If they make this, they win the hole. 1 down na lang. Mahina.
Kumanan.
Okay. 2 down pa rin. Okay. We have the hole. We have the hole. We survived. Okay, hole 15. We are still... Kasi nag-carry sa ano ko. Sa tabi ko. We are still 2 up. Ganda ng patama, Mikey ah. Okay yan. Ganda yan. Nice shot, Mikey. Ganda.
Nice, Fred.
What a shot. Anak ka nga, kapatid ka nga ni Andrew. Nice shot, brother. Nice one, brother. Ganda. Wow. Ang gaganda lahat. Sana makisali ako sa inyo.
Wag ka na sumali. Oo. Lugi kami.
Doon ka muna sa kaliwa, brother. Nice shot.
Ayun, parang safe naman.
Safe naman.
Pero kahit ano mangyari yata, oo eh. Titriwoodang ko eh. Okay, we are left with malayo pa. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. We have 220 yards to the flag, but I think it's more. Nice shot, Mikey! Ganda naman! Nice shot, partner! Ganda. Oh, ano ito mo? Hybrid lang? Oh, sige.
Nice shot.
Wala lang ako ba? Pakita ko sa tao, nakita kami. Sabi niya sa email lang. Kasama mo, nakakatawa naman, papakilala.
Ganda! Ganda, brother! Bunker! Uy!
Wow!
Uy, sayang, bumalik! Akala ko isipan niya paharap. Sayang. Bumalik.
Kailangan ko nakakita ng gano'n.
Nakikitingin ka naman dito. This is a Mikey hole. Lahat tira sa kanya. Hanggang dito ha. Dapat sa'yo pa rin ha. Dikit mo.
Hirap eh. Dinadala kita ngayon. Pero okay lang.
Lamang naman eh. Kaya nga okay lang. Okay. Naku, nagyabang ka na naman. Patay tayo.
Yun lang naman.
Okay, 75 yards uphill. We're taking Mikey's second shot. Nag-slice yung akin. Nandun. Ayan o, kawakaliwa. Over mo. Okay. They are taking those second shot. Ganda! Ganda! Nice shot, Fred. This is to go up and down for birdie pa yan. Okay, that they are now putting for birdie. We have this chip for birdie. Tapos sila Doy and Fred, they're putting for birdie also. This is to go up and down for par.
Okay. Tigil pa to.
Yan, yun yung bigay namin. Mabilis yan, Mikey ah. Ganda, Mikey. Baba.
Diba?
Nice spot, Mikey. Bakas pa rin. Ganda. That's good, that's good. Must make time. Nice putt. Okay, what a clutch putt by Mikey. We are still 2 down. Ay, 2 up pala. So, hole 16. Playing 100 yards against the wind. Ganda, Doy! Hole in 1 mo na! Laki lang ng dinro. Nice shot, Doy. Ganda ng tira ni Doy. Beside na. Pin high. Nice shot, Doy. Ay, kanan lang.
Nasa hangin eh.
Ganda, Mikey!
Wow.
Go.
Go! Go!
Uy, hindi. Ganda.
Nice shot, Mikey!
Grabe ah.
Sabi sa inyo, binubuhat niya ako eh.
Grabe.
Kita niya naman. Doon talaga nagsimula si Luigi sa akin.
Puro linya ng mga huli naman ah. Ako sa G's, tapos lahat na, meron na.
Naka ng weather, kala ko advantage
Kaya
yun naman
nga
kami.
eh. Grabe naman, Mikey. Hindi ka pa naawa.
Ako, yan pa. Yan ang hole in one. Yan ang hole in one.
Second. Oh!
Hindi matalas.
Backspin pa. Ay, shot. Kaya nga eh.
Okay, both teams putting for birdie. I was also on the green. Pero we're taking Mikey's, mas malapit. 6 paces sa akin. So, yeah, both teams birdie. Pagalingan na lang mag-putt. Tayo yata muna, Mikey.
What, Mikey, what?
Ganda! Ganda! Ganda!
Fred and Doy to half the hole to make their own birdie. Mahina. Lumaylay. That's good, that's good. Okay, must make. Ooh. Alright, we are now 3 up. We made birdie, they made par. Hole 17 is playing 190 yards against the fan. Might hit a 5 iron. Ganda, Fred! Ang ganda ng patama eh. Madali nang sumunod babae handicap neto. Short game na lang talaga.
Wow.
Ganda! Hinahangin pa rin, no? Kita mo.
Nice shot. Nice.
Okay lang. Hinahangin pa rin, no?
Uy.
Naku, doon na naman. Nice shot. Sawa na si Sir doon sa kabila. Doon naman sa kanan.
Okay, we are taking Mikey's tee shot. Mine went right. Now open ko yung palo ko. So 70 yards to the flag. Against the wind. Pero magulong to eh. So tirang mga 65, 60.
Yan na.
Mahina. Go! Yun! Ganda nga! Tama na. Uy, yung bilis. Wow!
Yes!
Grabe. Diyan o. Pasuyo. Ang ganda eh.
Matitikit na naman.
Ang ganda eh.
Ang ganda ng linig. Parang bilis ng green.
Hindi, tsaka maganda yung pinagsakan.
Sakto na yung carry.
Yes!
Sige, tumuloy ka.
Sa kanya walang gulong. Daya talaga.
Kasi kung sa green yun bumagsak sakto. This is Fred and Doyce up and down for par. Taking Doyce. Ganda. Taking Doyce tee shot.
Sobra lang ang kain.
Oh, laki lang sa kaliwa. Pero ganda naman. Okay lang, Doy, kasi pag hindi namin to na-shoot, panalo kayo. Ay, hindi pa pala. Kailangan nyo pala make. 2 putt din. Okay. Both teams putting for par. 13 paces left to right. Uphill. Pero hindi ganun kalaki yung binali nung sa kanila eh. Oh, di ba? Halos di bumali. Lakas naman. Good tie, good putt. Nice putt. Okay. All right. Last hole in my channel. So again, we're currently 2 down. We're currently 2 up pala. So hole 18, ano na kami? 1 under na lang kami yata total. So to watch the second 9, you can follow or you can watch it sa channel ni Fred.
Nice shot, Fred.
Oy, 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 oy!
Nice, boy. Nice one. Wow. Nice shot. Thank you.
Finally, we're using my tee shot. We're left with mga 230 yards to the green. Left with, tama ba? 230. Ay, hindi pala. 260. Hitting a 3-wood, tas against the wind pa. Ganda! Hay! Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Nice shot, Mikey. Okay, okay.
Four!
Nice shot.
Okay, they are taking Doyce tee shot. Left with 240 pa yata. Grabe, nagsaslice yung 3-wood ko. Nagsaslice yan. Hindi, sa swing ko rin talaga. Nararamdaman kong nag-over the top ako. Good shot, Doy.
Nice.
Right down the middle. May plus pala sila dito. Okay, both teams, same distance. Around 75 yards to the flag. This is Doy's second shot. Pero they get a plus. They both get a stroke here.
Go!
Parang short.
Go! Yes!
Ganda. Ang ganda ng tira. Patong na si... Bunker mo! Kita eh. Kita ang papunta dun eh. Hinaangin eh. Ano to?
Nice shot.
Change card. ipalit na ulit si Sugar. Ay, si Strawberry. Oo, ganda ng tama. Sakto yung distance mo. Okay. We are taking Mikey's second shot. 75 yards to the flag. Tirang 70. Nice shot. Short man.
Mahina.
Okay. Pareho kaming chunky. Pero malambot kasi yung fairway. Kaya may palusot kami. 28 yards to the flag. Taking Mikey's tee shot. Bite. 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 Bite.
Pasok. Tama na.
Oo. So putting par kayo, net birdie. Pero kami putting bogey na. So kailangan sila mag 3 putt. Malabo yata yan. Feeling ko dapat malakas kasi uphill.
Oo, sana.
Magulo ka eh.
Di, pero mahirap yung putt na yun. Lalayla yan eh. Nice putt.
Si Marky.
Yun o. They're already marketing it.
Walang ano sa pero may batch.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman eh. Nagpagawa. Alright, so sa start, we're done with the first 9. We are currently 1 up. So to know who wins this challenge, ayan, so something new.
Yes.
Dito natin mapapanood.
Oh, head on
ang
to my
second
channel.
9. For the second 9, it's going to be sa channel ni Fred. So again, the link is down below para malaman nyo who will win the 2v2. So for our second 9, yun pala, hindi pala. Doon pala natin itutuloy sa channel ni Fred. Okay. So yun, see you at the fairways.
See ya.
Nice shot.